Prophia has released a new feature that makes it even easier to find answers about your leases, our AI assistant. Now available at both the tenant and the property level, this powerful tool allows you to ask questions about your leases using natural language. Think of it as a chat GPT for your leasing information. You may have already noticed this blue window in the bottom right hand of your screen. You'll see this search box at both the property level and the tenant level, and using it is as simple as typing in whatever question you have about your leases. Once prompted, our AI assistant will search through your leasing documents and return results that will give you an explanation of the data that it found, as well as reference points to where it was found within your documents. You can start by typing in your own question, or you can expand the menu to see some of our suggested prompts, as well as any chat history that you may have with the AI assistant. We've given some default prompts just to give you an idea or starting point of what kind of questions you can ask. But for now, I'm going to use some specific questions just to show you what this tool can do. Let's start at the tenant level for our first example. I'm going to type in, can capital expenses be prorated and billed back to the tenant as my first question? Once I enter my question, the AI assistant is going to look through all of the documents in this tenant to find the information that I'm looking for. So as you can see, it returned a result that yes, certain capital expenditures can be prorated and billed back to the tenant, and it will summarize the data that it's found within your documents and provide footnotes to show you the exact language in your leasing documents that created this answer. You'll have the option to either copy this lease language, copy the summary that the AI assistant has created, or you can click on this language and it will take you into the document where it was found. As I mentioned before, the AI assistant is available at both the tenant level and at the property level. So let's zoom out to the property level to show the functionality there. You'll see the same blue text box at the bottom right of your screen. And this time I'm going to ask if any of the tenant's rights are affected by occupancy percentage in the building. At the property level, this will look through all of the documents uploaded to any tenants in the building, and you'll get this status bar to let you know how close to completion it is. So we can see that the AI assistant gave us an interpretation of all of the tenants' leases in this building to list anything that can be affected by occupancy. So there's capital expense pass-through ramifications. Also, as you scroll down, you can see OpEx calculations listed and specific tenant rights that might be affected by occupancy percentage in the building. So this will interpret all of the documents in this building and give you a response based on the information that's in them. You can always ask follow-up questions if you need to narrow down your results. And again, the functionality at the property level is the same, where you can click on these footnotes and see exactly the language from the document that has populated this answer, copy it if you need to, and click on it if you'd like to be taken to that document. You'll also have your chat history up here where you can see any of the conversations that you've had in the previous 30 days. We hope that this new feature saves you time in your day, and the next time that you have a question about your leases, let our AI assistant find the answer for you. As always, if you have questions or want to learn more, please reach out to support@prophia.com and a member of our customer success team can help.